Section C, question number 7. Section C, question number 7. Question number 7. Section C, question number 7. From the following trial balance of Malini as on 31st December 2008, prepare a final account. Capital 1,20,000, drawings 15,000. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೇನು ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. Now adjustment. Stock on hand 31st December 2008, 1 lakh. Create 5% reserve on debtors or bad, RBD or PD. Prepaid insurance 100, we know that. Commission earned but not received. Try to understand. Commission earned ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Commission paid ಅಲ್ಲ. Paid ಅಂದ್ರೆ expense. Commission earned ಅಂದ್ರೆ income. That is outstanding income. Outstanding income which will come towards credit side. Which comes towards credit side of the profit and loss account. Salary unpaid to the extent of 1,500. That means outstanding salary. Unpaid means not being paid. That means outstanding. Last one, depreciation on furniture 10%. Prepare a final account. Now, first one, trading and profit and loss account. Trading and profit and loss account. Next one, balance sheet. Balance sheet. Liability side, asset side, rupees. Now, what you're supposed to do first here is, you're supposed to finish the trading account. First one is to opening stock. Format ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಬರಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. Opening stock, which is given in the problem. Opening stock as 50%. Stock, opening stock is given here as 90,000. Thereafter, you are supposed to write here to purchase. You are supposed to keep it in the inner column. Purchase and sale is given 2,52,000 less purchase return. If it is given. Purchase return. I feel in this particular problem there is no returns. There is a return 5,000 and 2,000. That means here 2,000 as purchase return. Outer column 2,50,000. By sales, which is given in this problem 3,55,000. 3,55,000. Less return, sales return is here. The sales return which is given at the end, that is 5,000. Minus, and you are supposed to write outer column. There is no still more adjustment for this. 3,50,000. Everything is over. Trading account. Now in the balance sheet you are supposed to write some items here. First one is cash. Idan first cash in hand is given here. Cash in hand, which is given here as 500. Next one, which is given cash at bank, which is given directly in this case 2,000. Thereafter, we are supposed to go for debtors. We can write bills receivable first, then debtors we can write. Bills receivable is given here 22,000. Directly we can write 22,000. Next one is debtor. We are supposed to keep it in the inner column. Debtors 60,000. Inner column we are supposed to keep. There is an adjustment here. Create 5% RBD. Create 5% RBD or bad debts. Less RBD 5%. That means 3,057,000. Now, the RBD is a loss. RBD is a loss that will come here to problem and bad debts ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ debts is given here in this problem ಎಷ್ಟು bad debts 3500 for this we can add RBD how much RBD you got 3000 totally 6500 totally 6500 if suppose it is given RBD you can do it in this manner ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಇದಾದ ಮೇಲೆ we can start from the trial balance one by one ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ capital should go to the balance sheet first item ಯಾವುದು ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಆರು ಒಂದು ನಾಲ್ಕು ಲೈನ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬರ್ತೀನಿ capital is given here 1,20,000 you keep it in the column that should be credit field after completion 1,20,000 thereafter drawings should be deducted we know that directly less drawings directly which will get deducted that is 15,000 that means 1,05,000 thereafter bills as well we did. Next one is machinery is what is an asset should go to the balance sheet machinery directly 19,000 thereafter depreciation is given depreciation trial balance quote should go to the only profit and loss account to depreciation on machinery should be 1,000 debtor and creditor already we done now there is a creditor should go to the liability side of the balance sheet creditor directly 58,000 wages we know that wage is a direct expense it should go to the trading account to wages is there any outstanding wages here no there is no outstanding there is no adjustment ಅದು ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸೊ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 40,000 thereafter outstanding wages adjustment ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು again we are supposed to write liability side outstanding actually we are supposed to pay which is not being paid we are liable to pay so any outstanding expense there is a liability so outstanding wages ಎಷ್ಟು 1,000 outstanding wages 1,000 purchase and sales we did commission is given credit try to understand here is not given debit ಅಂದ್ರೆ expense credit ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು income so income should go to income side by commission you're supposed to keep it in the inner column commission 5,500 adjustment ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ನೋಡಿ commission earned but not received ಅರ್ನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅದರ ಅರ್ಥ outstanding income ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಆಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಔಟ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಡೇ ಮಾಡೋದು outstanding here is that is 500 outer column 6,000 outer column 6 ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ outstanding ಆದ್ರೆ liability outstanding income ಆದ್ರೆ asset so outstanding commission earned 500 commission earned 500 rent and tax is an expense again 2 rent and tax there is no adjustment as such I feel prepaid insurance ಇದೆ ಇದಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ 6,000 thereafter stock now ಬರ್ದಾಯಿತು salary inner column you keep 10,500 but there is an adjustment outstanding unpaid salary unpaid ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು outstanding add outstanding unpaid outstanding is 1,500 outer column 12,000 This is outstanding. Actually, you are supposed to pay. It is not being paid. It's a liable to pay. Outstanding salary. Every adjustment should be get adjusted twice. 1,500. Thereafter, traveling expense. You should come here on as an expense. Traveling expense. Directly out of column 2,000. There is no adjustment as such. 2,000. Insurance. You should come here only to insurance. Insurance. Inner column you are supposed to keep 600. But there isn't one adjustment for that. Prepaid insurance. Prepaid other. Paid in advance. Advance ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಲೆಸ್ ಔಟ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಯಾವುದು ಆ್ಯಡು ಪ್ರೀಪೇಡ್ಗಳು ಲೆಸ್ ಪ್ರೀಪೇಡ್ ಕಳೆದ ವರ್ಷ ಬರುವ ವರ್ಷದ ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಕೊಡೋದು ಅದು ಈ ವರ್ಷದ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ಗೆ ಆಗ್ತದಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಲೆಸ್ ಪ್ರೀಪೇಡ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ 100 ಔಟರ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ 500 ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರೀಪೇಡ್ ಔಟ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಪ್ರೀಪೇಡ್ಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಅಸೆಟ್ ಸೊ ಪ್ರೀಪೇಡ್ insurance 100. Thereafter, repairs is an expense. You should come here only to repairs. Is to 3,400. Thereafter, bad debts we did already. Furniture is an asset. You should come to here. Furniture is an asset. You're supposed to keep it in the inner column. Furniture 9,000, but there is an adjustment. It talks about less depreciation. 10%. 10% is 900. Outer column 8,000. 100. Depreciation is what? Is a loss. Depreciation is a loss. Everything should be adjusted twice. So to depreciation on furniture. 900. Thereafter, returns we done. Cash in hand we done. Cash at bank we done. Last one is closing stock. Listen. The closing stock is a part of adjustment. Always should go to the trading account by closing stock. ಎಷ್ಟು closing stock? ಎಷ್ಟು? 1 lakhs. Closing stock is 1 lakhs. Once again, that closing stock will become what? Is an asset. Asset. You should go to the balance sheet. Closing stock is to 1 lakh. ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಾನು ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋ ಟೈಮ್ ತುಂಬ ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಫಿಗರ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್. ಅದನ್ನ ಬೈ ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬ್ರಾಡ್ ಡೌನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಫಿಗರ್ ಬರುವಂತದ್ದು ನೆಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಟು ನೆಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್. ಈ ನೆಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ಗೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆಡ್ ನೆಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಂತ ಎಷ್ಟು? 70,000 as gross profit. This is total should be 76,000. Net profit ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? What is the net profit to be? Net profit to be 44,100 net profit. This should be get added to here. 44,100 should be get added to this. This will become 1,49,100. Balance sheet should get match each other. Suppose ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆದರೆ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಸರಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡೋದು 10 ನಿಮಿಷ 10ರಿಂದ 15 ನಿಮಿಷ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಿದ್ರೆ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.